A lot of problems can arise in the hydroponic system, such as root rotting and poor plant growth, if the water isn't properly aerated. Plant roots need both water and oxygen in order to serve the plants properly, and this is why most plants grow poorly in waterlogged soil. So, to ensure that the water in our hydroponic system has a steady oxygen supply, we use the air pump and the air stone. As long as this is pumping air into the water 24 hours a day, it'll be consistently oxygenated. And all you need to do every now and then is lift the lid and check for bubbles. If you can see the bubbles somewhere on the surface, you know the pump is working. And if you note the pump isn't working, check that it's plugged in properly, and also ensure that the control valve is open and that there are no blocks or kinks in the air hose. Checking the water quality is another important thing to do every now and then to make sure that your water is staying clean. To do this, all you need to do is take a glass, scoop out some water to inspect it. The clarity of the water is what you're checking. If the water is crystal clear, you know it's healthy. If the water is cloudy, that indicates that there's a bacterial bloom happening. And this just means that there's bacteria in the system and it's multiplying rapidly. If the water happens to be brown or green, that suggests that there's algae in the tub. This happens if there's light reaching the water. So if you notice any of these signs of problems and the water isn't crystal clear, the best thing to do is to completely change over the water. Can be a bit of a task, but it's important that a hydroponic system stays as clean and hygienic as possible at all times.